Here's the aftermath of what happened to Gordon. He's a bunch of rune slime here all over Gordon. Look at this. My cat Sparky really likes ice. Here you go. It landed on him. I used a water bottle and poured stuff. I needed ice because it's like 90 degrees out here. It's the start of spring. Here's the Percy that was in. Percy takes the plunge. He's seen better days. So yeah, here's one good throw to the Percy that we love. Oh, he's fine. Look at all that slime though. It's all slime there.